Welcome back to our channel. Today, we have a fascinating topic for you. We're going to talk about two billionaires who may seem like polar opposites, but actually share some surprising similarities when it comes to investing. That's right, we're talking about Warren Buffett and Elon Musk. So let's get started. Now, you might think that Buffett and Musk have completely different investment styles, considering one is known for his low-key wisdom and the other for his cutting-edge tech ventures. But when you take a closer look, you'll find that they actually share some common principles when it comes to investing. So let's dive into the first one. Buffett is famous for his advice to buy what you know. He believes in investing in industries he understands well, like energy, consumer products, and financial services. Take his biggest position, Apple, for an example. Buffett sees it as more than just a tech company. He views it as a consumer products company because more people would give up their second car than their beloved iPhone. Buffett's philosophy is all about investing in companies that have a loyal customer base and strong products. Elon Musk tweeted that, "Buy stocks in several companies that make products and services that you believe in." And guess what? Elon Musk shares this same philosophy. In a tweet, Musk advised his followers to buy stocks in companies that create products and services they believe in. So whether it's Buffett's energy investments or Musk's bets on electric vehicles and space exploration, both billionaires emphasize the importance of investing in what you know and believe in. Moving on to the next principle that Buffett and Musk agrees on is that holding for the long run. Buffett famously said that his favorite holding period is forever. He believes in buying and holding onto stocks for the long term, regardless of short-term market fluctuations. And guess what? Musk is on board with this too. In that same tweet, Musk advised his followers to only sell their investments if the company's products and services are trending worse. Both billionaires believe in the power of patience and holding onto investments for the long time. Now let's talk about one of Warren Buffett's most famous quotes. He said, "Be greedy when others are fearful and fearful when others are greedy." He means to be greedy by purchasing stocks when market sentiment is extremely negative, assets are undervalued, and there's blood in the streets. Conversely, he recommends selling positions when excessive optimism has driven valuations to unsustainable levels. Elon Musk tweeted that, "Don't panic when the market does. This will serve you well in the long run." And guess what? Elon Musk agrees with this strategy too. In a tweet, Musk advised his followers not to panic when the market goes down and assured them that staying calm will pay off in the long run. Both Buffett and Musk understand the importance of being contrarian and taking advantage of market fluctuations. Now, before we wrap up, it's important to note that Buffett and Musk do have their differences, especially when it comes to cryptocurrency. Buffett has been famously critical of Bitcoin, calling it a rat poison, and even stating that trading in cryptocurrencies is just dementia. On the other hand, Musk has shown his support for cryptocurrencies like Bitcoin, Ethereum, and Dogecoin, even though Buffett strongly disagrees. Elon Musk says, "I'm not advising anyone to buy crypto or bet the farm on Dogecoin. Maybe you should, but let me advise you that would be perhaps unwise." So while Buffett and Musk may see eye to eye on many investing principles, they certainly have their own opinions on certain topics, like cryptocurrency. It just goes to show that even billionaires can have their disagreements. So in summary, buy what you know, hold quality stocks long term, and use market drops to buy stocks at a discount. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Thanks for watching, and we'll catch you in the next video.